guys, I'm on my journey right now. Today is my teaching day, so I'm actually going to my class right now, and I'm going to get ready for my students. Yep, this is the journey. Right sheet here. My baby, she's been through so much. She needs a little bit of oil, but it's all right. Give her oil. Give her a nice little oil down there. Oh, excuse me. The show must go on. How do we have the phone book? For that time I wanna go where you go. So, in the meanwhile, in between time, I'll show you guys my look of the day. I should have went live, but this is my look of the day, yo. For that time, I wanna go where you go. I literally, to get this rose, y'all, at the stoplight, and I was like, I just had to stop and get it. And I had to get one for me and my princess, me and my mamacita. The vibes. And yes, it is. I have these two gorgeous neckties I just put together. I had to hook you up a little. I had to do a little pearls, you know. And we have Sheridonna designs. I have my leg warmers, and we have the hood scarf to go with it. Stunning. You sure? Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. So, this is the vibes. Oh, I think I love the, oof, so good. So good. I feel so good. Hey, good. I'm gonna have to do a little mini photo shoot right here.